Welcome to the best picks. The best flat drying rack is probably one of the most essential laundry accessories for anyone looking to extend the life of their clothes, save money on energy bills, and reduce their environmental impact. In this video, we will explore the top-rated flat drying racks available on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Honey Can Do Laundry Rack. It's made of sturdy metal, so it can hold all your wet clothes and shoes without bending. This makes it a reliable drying solution for everyday use. It folds completely flat for easy storage, perfect for small spaces. You can easily put it away when you're not using it. It has special bars for shoes, so you can dry delicates, sweaters, and sneakers all in one place. It's a versatile drying stand for all your needs. With 46 linear feet of drying space, it offers ample room for all your laundry. It's a practical alternative to an electric dryer. It's lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant, making it great for laundry rooms, balconies, or patios. You can use it anywhere. It comes fully assembled, so you can start drying your laundry right away. No assembly is required, making laundry day quick and easy. What we like? It's sturdy enough to hold even wet clothes without bending. Its space-saving design is perfect for smaller homes. If you need a versatile rack for clothes and shoes, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds all my clothes most of the time unless I have waited a month to do my laundry. I like the lower rack for delicates and will use it for lay flat to dry laundry. You can use it fully folded out or only halfway if you need it to be smaller. Holds so much. You can lay sweaters flat, hang clothes on the bars, hang clothes with hangers in the bars, dry shoes, etc. It quickly folds up just by grabbing the middle section and pulling it upward. The sides just fold down and it is ready to store. It holds a good amount of clothing and the netting is helpful to place wet clothing on while you hang items or to accommodate small items such as socks. It is easy and quick to assemble and disassemble. It is very sturdy and won't buckle or shift under any amount of pressure or clothing I've placed on it in months of usage. Number 4. SONGMICS ULLR53 BUV1 Drying Rack. It boasts 4 wings and 33 rails, providing ample space to dry all your clothes, towels, and blankets simultaneously. Say goodbye to overflowing laundry baskets. With 27 clips, it securely holds socks, underwear, and other small items, preventing them from falling to the floor. No more lost socks. The top wings adjust to 3 different heights, accommodating clothes of varying lengths. Easily dry everything from pants to sheets. It requires no assembly, simply unfold and use. Plus, it folds compactly for easy storage or transport. Made with thick, treated steel tubes and durable plastic connectors, it's water and rust resistant, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like? This drying rack offers a massive amount of drying space. The adjustable wings accommodate various clothing lengths. If you have a large family or lots of laundry, this is your best bet. What people say. It is very sturdy, but easy to fold up to move and store when not in use. Shiny steel won't stain clothes. Easy to set up and flatten back after use. Holds a lot of clothing. This is a large, sturdy, easy to assemble laundry drying rack. It holds a full load of laundry, more or less. Number 3. SONGMICS ULLR52 BU Drying Rack. It boasts 24 hanging rods and 27 clips, providing ample space for all your laundry needs. Dry large loads of clothes, towels, and blankets quickly and efficiently. The 2 adjustable wings offer 3 height options, ensuring that items of all lengths, from shirts to sheets, dry perfectly. Customize it to fit your laundry. When not in use, it folds flat for compact storage, measuring only 2.8 D x 23.8 W x 42.1 H inches. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store. No screws are needed. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have it assembled in minutes. Enjoy a hassle-free setup. Made with thick steel tubes and durable plastic connectors, it can hold up to 55 pounds. It's built to last and resist rust, providing long-term use. What we like? It provides ample space for drying clothes and towels. The adjustable wings make it versatile for different clothing sizes. If you need a convenient and easy to store solution, this is it. What people say. This is a quality drying rack that is well worth the money. I use this rack weekly to dry my work clothes so that they don't shrink or wear in the dryer. I am tall, so I love that the sides are adjustable to hang pants and dresses. This thing holds a lot of clothes. It is lightweight but made with sturdy material. It is super easy to put together. There are no complications at all when assembling it. In terms of sturdiness and size, it is really good. Did not expect the rods to be long when hanging the clothes. There is extra space to hang up other smaller things on the leftover space. Plus, it is easy to unfold and fold as it is very smooth. The rack itself is sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. I've used it for everything from delicate fabrics to heavier items like jeans and towels, and it has held up well. It's also easy to assemble, and I had it up and running in no time. Number 2. SONGMICS ULLR 521W01 Drying Rack. It boasts 24 drying rails across 2 tiers and an additional tall bar. This provides plenty of room for all your laundry, big and small. The 2 wings adjust to 6 different heights. This means it can accommodate items of all lengths, from shirts to sheets. No assembly is required, it's ready to use straight out of the box. Plus, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Made from high-quality, treated steel and durable plastic, it's built to last and resist rust, even with wet clothes. Air drying your clothes is gentle on fabrics, extending their life and reducing your environmental impact. It supports up to 55 pounds 25 kilograms with ease, so you can confidently dry all your laundry without worry. What we like. This rack offers superior height adjustability for all your laundry needs. The extra hanging bar adds even more space. If you need a highly customizable and spacious drying rack, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. OXO Folding Sweater Drying Rack. This innovative drying rack is designed for your delicate items, ensuring they dry quickly and maintain their shape. Its unique design makes it perfect for sweaters and other garments. It features a large mesh surface area, providing ample space for your items to dry efficiently. This allows for optimal airflow and faster drying times. The legs fold neatly, and it folds in half for compact storage. It's perfect for small spaces and easy to store when not in use. Its offset legs allow it to fit easily on countertops and washing machines. This convenient design saves valuable space in your laundry area. It prevents stretching, creasing, and loss of shape in your delicate items. Say goodbye to misshapen sweaters and hello to perfectly dried clothes. Stack multiple racks securely with extra room between layers for quick drying and easy access to your items. It's designed for efficient drying and easy retrieval. It's made from PVC-free materials, ensuring a safe and healthy drying experience for your clothes and your family. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's a safe choice. Open, it measures 26 by 26 by 4.5 inches, providing a large drying surface. When closed, it conveniently measures 19 by 8 by 2.5 inches for easy storage. What we like. It's ideal for drying delicate items like sweaters. Its compact design makes storage a breeze. If you're looking for a gentle way to dry delicate clothes, this is the one. What people say. It folds in half to make it easy to store away when not in use. It is plenty big enough to lay a good-sized sweater on. The mesh is tight enough to support these without significant sagging, and the items dry nicely. I was impressed with the quality, easy assembly, and compact storage. Some say this product doesn't hold chunkier sweaters, but I tested this with a heavy cotton sweater and the rack didn't buckle down nor collapse. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.